While Mr. P.K. Menon is an IIT Madras postgraduate who has done short-term executive education program for business managers from IIM Bangalore.
Is between human body and a project. It's a weird thought. Actually, it was a section in my book about project speed and metabolism. And I thought, why not expand that section into a useful thing which can straight go into the head of the people. Metabolism, energy, fat, those kind of things, which can be easily related to project. Now, how you can make a meaning out of it, how can you get maximum benefit? Unnecessary project fat. So what is project fat? Anything which reduces the speed. So I try to categorize different types of fats in the project. Fat may be related to project staffing and allocation of staff. Basically, you have to find out where is that unnecessary fat in your project and where you can burn it and cut it down so that your muscles are built. So project management style has to be fine-tuned to increase the metabolism. When you get a poorly defined requirements, what do you do at the time? It's very important. Many times we tell client's name, we tell that somebody has written, he gave me only a punchline, then I started. But what did you do at the time is very important. What kind of noise you made? How did you deal with the situation? How did you set the right expectation? Many times because of fear, we don't do the right thing. Doing the right thing requires a lot of boldness actually. Many times in interview, candidates will be speaking very well. You have a lot of jargons. One jargon you ask, he will answer with 3 jargons. Both of them don't know what it is. Because there is a pressure, because you have to fill the head count. Do you want to fill the head count and fill the bandwidth, or you want really good candidates? Person with fully oil on the body, you cannot catch him, you will tell something and go, all those kind of things. No, you can't do anything with him. He is very much required also. So what to do with him? So discourage this cowboy culture. He is a cowboy. Whatever he wants, he will do. Shooting, whatever he wants, he will do. To senior management and show that Mr. Aditya is there. Aditya is a great guy. Aditya is there in my plan. He is spending 20% time. The other guy will also put 30% time. Nobody knows how much percentage is actually required, actually put, but everybody will be looking very happy. All 5 projects will be disturbed. Poor Aditya has to do a make operation and break operation. Make operation, break, because he has to switch context. In a technical scenario, it is very difficult to switch context. Cannot switch. Managers can do multiple things because they are not doing it. They are making others to do it. So they can do multiple things, but for people who has to do it, they can do only one thing at a time. Somebody is going to put you pressure. The senior management, customer, it's called art of resisting pressure. How do you resist pressure and tell the right thing? Say no with the right reasons. Mr. Aditya is a very critical resource. You cannot allow Aditya to be more critical. You have to put 2-3 people around him and get his knowledge out and spread it. Provided Aditya cooperates. Sometimes Aditya won't give it. Technical depth of managers is very important to ask the right questions. If you cannot ask the right questions, you cannot control a team member nowadays. For example, if you are making upma, you should know about upma, the smell, the taste, the final thing. You need not have to know complete ingredient, how much time the water has to be boiled. You get into that kind of details is not required. But at least you should know from each step what is the result I expect out of it. I should have a clear idea about it.
Okay. So friends, we heard an excellent lecture from Menon. It is every case study he gave was really down to earth. Everything was very, very clearly mentioned there, the challenging the team members, critical path, critical chain, how to motivate, and it is the one thing that I liked was you must be asking the right question. If the question is wrong, the answer is wrong. So that way he illustrated us many case studies and he made us very interesting. Thank you, Mr. Menon.
Yeah, one point, you ask questions, many team members will answer through questions. I've seen it. You ask one question, you will ask 4 questions.
Because in software project I see using data flows. There is no visibility. In construction industry and manufacturing you can see the skyline changing. But in your case there is no visibility. Anything that's visible only can be improved, right? You can see. So once again I thank all of the members who have come to this meeting and we appreciate and we support us in our quest for knowledge. We thank again Mr. Menon for the assembly.
and give the feedback forms. Yes, sure. Thank you all for your time.
Thank you very much.